Kids, to draw Doraemon, you have to draw eyes like lettuce or sweets which are good for cavities. Drawing too much sweets will make your head round. Then we will draw this dumb talkative robot's face. Doraemon has 2 eyes. Doraemon always tries to be nice. But still it's afraid of cute mice. Fatty fluffy Doraemon is too lazy to bake. But still, fat cat Doraemon doesn't stop eating Dora cakes. Doraemon has 2 hands, 2 legs. Fatco Doraemon needs to take an eating break. Kids, I have chosen this fat black color to see you better, so that your eyes don't get tired of sneaking too much into the screen. Now little cute kids, I am going to color this Doraemon. I am coloring it with sky blue, not deep blue. I am avoiding dark colors because I don't want you to feel depressed. Life should feel lighter, not darker. Colors should help you to have more fun. Look kids, here is your favorite cartoon Doraemon. Now, if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment box, cute kids. I would love to read your cute comments.